Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Shri Sai Guru channel. Today's topic is applications of trigonometry from the grade 10 standard. Question taken from exercise 9.1. What is the question? From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Yes. So it is most important, dear students. Here two angles of elevations are given. One is 45 degree. It is at the bottom of the building. Angle of elevation of the bottom of building is 45 degree and to the top of the building is 60 degree. And you are given the height of the building and you are going to calculate the height of the tower. See here, we have to draw the diagram for this situation. This is the ground level. Yes. And next, this let it be AB is a building. Its height is given 20 meter and on the top of the building the tower is constructed. Let it be AC. AC is a tower and from the ground the angle of elevation, let it be the point is DB. DB is a ground level from the D to the bottom of the tower. This is the angle of elevation. It is given how much? 45 degree to the bottom of the tower. And one more is what? The angle of elevation to the top of the building. Yes. This angle measure 60 degree. These are given information in the question. Don't get any confusion. So here, what is AB? AB is the height of building, which is equal to 20 meter. AC is the height of tower. We have to calculate. Next, angles of elevation of the bottom of tower is how much? 45 degree and to the top of tower is 60 degree. So let us calculate how to calculate the height of the tower. We know that here AC, look at the diagram. Yes, AC is equal to this line. AC refers height of the tower. AC is equal to BC minus AB. BC minus AB. AB you know that 20 meter. But BC is we have to calculate. So let us calculate the BC first. BC minus AB gives the height of the tower. So consider the triangle. Yes. Here what? AC is equal to BC minus AB is 20 meter. So here consider the right angle triangle ABD. ABD, where angle D is 90 degree. So let us calculate here. Okay. So angle D is given 45 degree here. I consider this triangle ABD. Angle D is 45 degree. So apply tan theta. Yes. Tan 45 degree is equal to opposite side is AB divided by dB, adjacent side. Tan 45 value is 1 is equal to AB is 20 divided by dB. So therefore dB by the cross multiplication dB is equal to 20. This is equal to AB is equal to 20 meter over. Yes. Similarly, we have to calculate one more is what? BC, one more triangle CBD. Triangle CBD. So this is dB is equal to 20 meter over. Again, consider the triangle CBD. This triangle CBD, where angle D is 60 degree. Again, I am consider tan ratio. Tan 60 is equal to its opposite side is BC divided by DB. Yes. Again, get the diagram. D opposite is BC, adjacent side is DB. So dB we already calculated as 20 meter. Okay. Tan 60 is equal to, what is tan 60? It is root 3 is equal to BC divided by dB is 20 over. It is already calculated. Then by the cross multiplication, 20 into root 3 is 20 root 3 is equal to BC. So now we calculated BC as 20 root 3 meter. Now it becomes very easy to calculate the height of the tower. Again, look at here. Height of the tower is AC is equal to, now yes, AC is equal to BC minus AB. Yes. Then height of the tower AC is equal to BC minus AB. Yes. BC is 20 root 3 minus AB is 20 meter. Yes. So here 20 is common. Then root 3 minus 1. 20 into root 3 is 20 root 3. 20 into 1 is 20. Yes. So this is the height of the tower. Finally, conclusion will be, therefore, height of the tower is 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter. This is the irrational numbers. Yes, if the root 3 value, if it is given, then you can substitute root 3 value, then you can find the answer. Or you can end here only. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe Sri Sai Guru channel. Thank you for watching this video.